My name is Hai Dang. Right now, I'm an engineering director of OhmniLabs Vietnam. I like endurance sport, so normally during the weekend, you can find me in the mountain running the trail, in the road to do biking, or in the swimming pool. I do Ironman. So in Ironman, it's like a triathlon. So you need to first do a swim, then after that you bike, and then after that you run. So basically, the first time when the OhmniLabs Vietnam team came together, we formed 3 teams. We trained together, and then after that, it become my training routine. One of my favorite movie that I used to watch more than 100 times again and again is the 300th movie.
This is Sparta!
No, I want to live at the current moment. The current time is the best time because I have my family. I think that's the most important thing.